Hey guys, we finally got that finished. All I gotta do now is just clean it up, and I hope she likes it. I'll be delivering this tomorrow. I got a sheath with it. Use the yellow thread with the black on it. She's a Pittsburgh Steelers fan, and I took it over sharp than what I should have on this right here. But yeah, I left the tip kind of obtuse because I'm not really sure what the lady's gonna use it for. And this is wet paper, and it's not having no issues at all with it, you know. So it's plenty sharp for a Mercedes. And you know, I always hope that people will use the knife. I always hope they'll use the knife. But I also hope that she sets it up on a shelf and shows all her kinfolk, or maybe use it to carve the Christmas roast or something. You know, that would be cool too, because that it's slicey. All right, y'all, man. This is what we're going to finish next. I've decided to go with the ironwood on the next gentleman buoy, and I'm going to pair it with the hatchet, and these will be a set. All right, y'all, appreciate y'all coming along, man, on this Wednesday. I was blessed to have a job to let me have time off like that. And yeah, I'll see y'all probably this weekend, man. Y'all have a good one and be safe out there, bro.